Hey guys, I'm Amit and today I got a question from a Facebook group where the person had some data in a column like this, and in that data there are different kind of brackets. One is curly bracket and one is square bracket. So the person wants curly bracket data, the data inside curly bracket to come in this column and the data inside the square bracket to come in this column. So it's a simple question. We have to use simple formula in this case, and we will be using mid and search formula. Okay, so let us start now. So first we'll use a search function to identify the position of A. This position of A, and this position will always come after this curly bracket. So in this case I is coming after this curly bracket. So we have to find where the A sits. Okay, so we'll use search. Basically we are trying to find the curly bracket. So find text is this curly bracket, and this is within this text, and start number is from 1, the first position of that text. Press enter. So this is 5th position. So your curly bracket starts from 5th position. If the curly bracket starts from 5th position, A will start from 6th position. Okay, so I'll put a +1 here. Okay, so 6th position A starts. Now I want to find the position of this closing curly bracket so that I could identify where E sits. Okay, so I'll use it in some other cell, then I'll move it to B1. Search. Find text would be closing bracket, and within this text, and start number is again 1. So this closing bracket is at 9th position. Now these two numbers can get us the length of the string, this string. Okay, 9 minus 6 is 3. So there are 3 characters in this string within the curly bracket. So we'll get it here, and this is equal to this minus this. This is 3. Okay, we have got the starting position of A. We have got the number of characters in the string. So now we could use mid function. Text is this and starting position is this and number of characters is this. Enter. So we got R here. Okay, now we could combine all this together. So in place of B1 we could write this formula there. And in place of D1 we could write this formula there. Basically this formula is this minus this. So we have to write this minus this in place of D1 here. So I'll first copy this. And then minus. Basically this will come first, so I'll put it here, minus this. Enter. This is giving us 9, this is giving us 5. So basically we have to do minus 1. Okay, so we got this. Now we don't need all these things. Now if you drag it down, you will get it for other data also. Age is here. Now copy this formula, paste it over here, and now change your value here to square bracket. And this is closing square bracket. Enter. Something is wrong. Yep, when you copy it, it should be A1. Now you got it. Amazing. And this is your I. Okay. So this way we achieved the target. We extracted the data from those curly brackets. That's it. Keep watching. I'll come with very interesting questions. Wherever I see the question, I'll be making videos and I'll be sharing. Thanks a lot. Keep watching. Subscribe to the channel, share and comment.